Ministry for Communication and then I can say Communications, Digitalization and Innovation. Ministry of Communication power achievement in way.
Yes. Me can't we Obin can share Mr. Mahama president say ade a omo ye no omo ye ntiase o na I say o person that die Robin Peter to pay Paul.
We are prepaid meters.
Okay.
In the past, I used to buy 2,000 a month. Not too much. About 2,000 to buy 2-3 months.
Okay. In the
so
past.
2,000 in the past.
Yeah.
Now, me back in December here. We have 4 receipts. Now, in the 1 month.
5 days.
5 days. Thousands. That's all.
I'm not asking you because we are all experiencing it. That the size of kinky has not changed. Neither has the price. In spite of the food gluts, in spite of the lower prices. He is aware. We are together in that.
Oh, don't touch the under. Thank you.
All right. And this particular video is so interesting. We say Ghana for no, and I come on some. J mama muomo say and name esiko. Captain Koye Smart or Bona we are just name enkoye. Yam Pam Sam George. Polytank. Oh. Hey Benny. NDC Journalist now or TV XYZ. Or hini babo Benny. Or also no abe clash with Bahama near to for his economy no near my ejigu. Oh when you careful. Now feel no ZionFelix. Abe share the experience. How name AC command I'm a Ghana for do no. Ka insem. I'm a big crown abe reti MPP and NDC for. Na ensem edoso. Mebo ntire mu no akire wadwen amame. E wo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video no that one put subscribe button and back the notification corner for latest update and back wa agenda mama e wo comment section so baso no share for anya bia share se si ane de Ghana ye nyina ye wo mu no sebe se oye Ghana ni na opese okasama oman na ye say you are enemy to the state se oye Ghana ni bibi nkoyie na wo ka ho asem no hey you will be di watem na me re fi ba me fa metwa mo ansa ebusia video bi abedru manim as a NDC youth o mo tema central na hono no National Health Insurance Authority for omo main office e wo hono no omo edi tumi ne mrahye omu nsem akoloke office no e de credit autum omo asem nyina ne say NDC penny for AD Dija Womu.
Your national security is
when I saw the you go Mr. You be wrong.
Menim adwena sebe e wan disi fo ni bitirimo. Menim adwena e wo bitirimo. Omanye japade no wo di utumi akotum just because you belong to a certain political party and you feel say omu didi jaw no didi jawa NHIS office na wo no wo Erade. Ora yento ayen komos. Na bu ya said am no kan ya ebia nie ana betwa mu kono. Sesi ohwe Ghana ha no mu a ade a ye ka ededa ye kra ene se ya te petru so. Inflation aba form for news update. Ana fe dollar aba form on the internet. Asa. Eniema Ghana yesi no mamu a yehu bi enei no. Eniema ye ka de chechire ho were eniema me nsape. Dollar aba form on the internet and reflected ewo your daily living and reflected. Afes no fu ebu a aba form no ye omo workers and enjoy but petrol so ain't lorry fare bo intimate fu aba form bi hu bi car. I don't own a car. It full about for me no committee. Over the petrol about for make come out because me top petrol, me to fuel, me for fuel nyashe. Dear me tia a lorry fare. Lorry fare so I ante so mam 80 me kekan kwasi asem nkyerem say ya te petrol so ntima amemoni koye nkeka san kwasi asem nkyerem. And na ebia so no inflation rate a form ediama news portals no because a news media agencies no ye na ma update ni abaya flyer inflation drop to this date but inflation no ba mi bi o te kwa you edo de koko o di inflation wo fe emfa no ade a won hwe se de koko na ode akọ ye betua de ka edo so akọ egwachi bi de ntua koko akuafo ne ka mahama ebe yele ogada halo ye ntua wo muka ebe busia Ghana na ese ewo mu no abia something which is there now so economy na at large bibia jigu bibia nye bibia nothing no sector of the economy is performing bibia it is underperforming every sector of the economy is underperforming it is retrogressing bibia psychology but any for that almost amemod ekoye and I'm so I'm a Ghana for abekasa na always said here market any ma SCT bibia bo ma form me was inflation about form ya $10 so ya 2 petrol so so never bo e ma form when is ma never bo ma be ni e be kan ye
Oh, don't touch the under. It's for
All right.
okay.
Send your normal tiano and your sanity. Walk a captain will be a town for the Yamabe, but ancestor sound because send you from one ever. I'm not and I'm say, no one John Dramani Mahame cray. I dear Mamma Cran Wobua. I'm Mamma John Dramani Mahama Wobua. And
now no is a Ghana hand one network no and yes say sound just solely na you know na na oje fans ye hu the ministry the air cost wo hono Captain Kojo Smart Abba Blast just Mahama empam sound na uhu adwuma bi a oye de bo Ghana
Ministry for Communication and then they can say Communications, Digitalization and Innovation.
George.
Ministry of Communication power achievement anyway.
Yes.
Yati DSTV so. Yati DSTV so. Yati data and I yati data so. And and only ya dey. Jomama osondada. Nenkroba tani ya Ministry of Transport. Say transport what achievement in say. What achievement you say?
Renaming of airport.
Yeah. Transport. Ena oda ho no. Honorable Joseph Bukari. Honorable. Tell the whole world your achievement in 1 year. We want to know. Maybe we don't know because you haven't told us. So shame me, come out. Say, Honorable Omanibu Ama, Yamin Fan Kransi, Oko, Menka Omanibu Amasem. Mutala Mohammed, Yamin Fan Kransi, Menkanasem. But Minister for Labor, Jobs and Employment. Strategy, what's the one? What crowd would know? Your friend Abdul Rashid Pepuo. What? Pacho, say I am no say. Where the Juma day? Away. Yet you 1 year. Away. Where Anya Mahama some that bio where a ministers, no ministries, not some. Yeah. Maria, are you here? Ministers in the power. Obi an achievement, Mra. I am ready. Away. That's why I know Marco Jana meets the press. and accountability the forum. Kwa some kwana kwa foka kan o ya ba ka say hey wa handa ma nipa 2000 men ka say na high achievement anu kwa nya achievement my list we was say no say the Ghana sika hwa enye secret so to be publishing crofo no e me you say na kwa we ote hey yeah, the Ghana by mimic tax as Captain Smart. Yeah, they're hand down, man. Listen, away.
Now you know, light bill, no water bill. Ku Ghana for. Kuye. And also, I was here. One of the biggest bloggers in Ghana here, ZionFelix, Abba shared experience with fact and data, receipt, and like power do a what to prepaid. Power do a what to every December 2025 ebesine there was a who be judo
for we prepaid meters.
Okay.
In the past I used to buy 2,000 a month. Not too much. About 2,000 to be 2-3 months.
Okay. In the
so
past.
2,000 in the past.
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's like 2 years back or 3 years back. And I made this about 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 a chapa. Now me back Ghana December okay. We have 4 receipts. Now in the 1 month too. What me sitting to me can why can't certificate say why can't dates no come out every time I'm total dates dates was so say
okay we 17th December 2025
to 17th and 11th in do 1 month though. So where you receipt from 17th to a net date I in the 1 month too. It was saying
1,000 Ghana.
That was next date.
Okay.
Date.
So 26th December.
How much the date before how many days in a year? I think say from 17 to 27.
9 days.
9 days.
9 days.
That 1,000 that's okay. 1,000 is na me talk her 17th no.
Yeah.
And some go to that 1,000 that's not, after 9 days oh. 1,000 is asa. Fatwo 1,000.
Okay, 2,000 no.
Where 2,000 26 no we did by
2nd January.
How many days after we know?
We are 7 days.
7 days but 1,000 is asa. 7 days. 1,000 is prepared nasa. Okay. Fatwo next.
1,000. It was here. We are 8th January.
How many days no?
5 days.
5 days. 1,000 is nasa. Abuja 5 days prepaid with them go to prepaid them go to no. In fact my father was shocked. Papa say o say yama off prepaid sound area phone your light. You go in light house prepaid that sound. Abuja me to prepaid 2nd January 2026. 5 days time 1,000 is inside.
Asa.
And then 11th January. In less than a month, must spend 4,000 if you're ready. If you're a store, how? Hey! How? I don't get a point of faction. I was 4,000 Ghana cedis. Busumi soon, Abuja from 17th and 11th. Saka says this. I'm Busumi Nason. It's a Medisaba or Baku, and the 16th. 6th. Wait, November, Fanton. Abuja, we're in for now.
Okay.
Abuja, in less than a month, I've spent 4,000 Ghana cedis just on prepaid. Huh? Just on prepaid 4,000. I didn't first time use 2,000 Ghana cedis no. From December 17th till 11th January 2026. December 17th, that is last year. Mindi wa man to. Mato 4,000 worth of prepaid. Some do some so mato 5,000. Ebusia. Oh, yes. Ebusia. It's wow. Ebusia. It's almost me can't say it's ne boy ma papa. 2.5 oh. It's ne 2.5. A boy just a boy. 2.5 a 70 I should jam by force.
But Odev, I want to ask this. Me, Shada, I don't know much about this. How ECG for more. Yes, but my main busau. Osha, because I know my use who demo hono.
I know I'm use.
What do you think, say? air course this kind of.
Okay, me nim. I don't be me truth is, it's a 4-bedroom house. One of the rooms will be on them. It's only so light and put so here. I a storeroom. Me father also easy. Me offer sit them also easy. Me living room. It about 3 months will be in the living room. Order TV and yeah, so TV and as a light and a fan. It's AC at 2.5 years. So me call me them on kwa and it's so AC, so TV, so lights. And a studio has a key. That is what I've been using. That is the same thing I may do for my car if you know home. The way I normally say of you, even my bedroom, me 2.5 AC I said. They say me 1.5. Me 1.5 AC and what a demo. I'm too to prepaid but I could do 11 days. There's a I could see you. I boy is a John. What's the boss of that? What the boss? That's off. Hey,
But
me kasim we obi kan che Mr. Mahama president say ade a omo ye no omo ye ntiase o na say opese da yen Robin Peter to pay Paul. Why? And the question so from kamen kasa o many abrepa na medical kasim we me kwa so le ba na me say me kwa ko bi store akofẹ kakra che be chop money me ba ya be prepared asa me be do am prepared asa prepared so na nansa na me to 50 cedis last year come to 50 cedis it did me 5 days and then nansa me to prepared 50 cedis no asa me ko to petrol mate so normal ya te petrol so nke ni age ama me ampo matimi ato 2 gallons because 100 cedis e kabai sa me ba ya o de aba be hye light bill ni mo wa te petrol ne so no de aba be hye light bill mama me a kese nke be ya Mr. Mahama awo ma petrol no engineer ba bi egina ho a na light bill ne te so because petrol ne de ya e workers ne to petrol enya Ghana fo nyina na worker e to petrol because ya che so no krampo no a driver for until all fair so the passenger bi anya so fa so petrol ne che so no driver ne bi until all fair so GPA to AD Minister of Transport AD ente petrol fair bia so de yetua na yetua na light bill ne de obi o ti fi use light bi atua bi o nti mo de me kan na mo de mo ba no be di atem no na mo support me say o man panyini ente light bill no so mum na petrol no manager ba bi egina me ma no tusu biem enja ba bi egina no don light bill no so because Ghana for use light does so mum use car make you be di matemu na me de be di matemu ade udi matemu anam de asuma na da komo busu apanyini because only di kind of first nti ha de ndi atem ha ikanya nsasem wo na ntimi comment nyansa commenter member ha ahenyansa for table that's it.
Another dangerous thing that is happening now is aside this lack of payment for the cocoa farmers, electricity bill is killing us. Who has observed that since NDC came to power, electricity bills have been going up? See my receipts. Only me, I live alone. See, all my receipts, like I'm a lotto worker. And this time, I used to buy 50 cedis, and the 50 cedis can last me like 2 weeks. But this time, if I buy 50 cedis, it doesn't even last me up to 1 week. Why? This government wants to kill us. See, my ECG list. Plenty. Hey, it's more than 200. Only me. This all is investment. Oh, NDC, why? NDC, why? Do you want to kill us? NDC, have pity on Ghanaians. NDC, have pity on Ghanaians. See, only me, only one person, only me. You buy small peno, within a twinkle of an eye, it's gone, and you have to go and buy again because you don't want to do illegal connection. These people, oh no, we leave you people to God.
Now, comedian so Ghana for no, I can't send baby no, the Mahama.
So many reports Koswa amount for complaining about how electricity Kosro the way our meter and running. More you can say the alternative is scary no. More anti you can't say the alternative is scary no. More anti Munja complaining no. You catch them say this alternative they are very very scary. Where light as a moon. I buy say good. was say gold akoton $10 billion of gold. And what ton $10 billion of gold was sa ton. E da kotua IPPs no. Omo mo supply enyam kamia enkania no. Omo mo supply enyam enkania no. Was say gold of 10 billion Ghana cedis. $10 billion. E da kotua omo. Owe anso awo was the 1 cedi per liter. Or the 1 cedi bia between ya iso ye fuel so. Say what they talk or the toy fango at their power ye nyamun kaniano. And we know was out to electricity 28% into economy and send my way boy about electricity one. And today I'm way on the moment you until Munja complaining the dinner moyano.
Minister, you are aware. I'm not asking you. I'm not asking you because we are all experiencing it. That the size of kinky has not changed. Neither has the price. In spite of the food glut, in spite of the lower prices, he is aware. We are together in that. Well, if he denies, I will assess him. Mr. Speaker, I'm not aware.
Body nyina bere apuro banchi na gugu e apuro meji so mikuta nkwala makwaji aban besia ena na ye ba ya kura snap mi dwane e ka mele ye nti wa ma aban ye silaw baby aga na akwhye bia fa Ghana ne bla ye pa show ye silaw frochidi ne koyi Ghana ne maye na se na mai muti anke entimentina Yentimi shadi kamfo kula ene school fees kula yentimi nchia
bode no ye aba aduaba eba ekọ lebu nti ebu a be se de ne bo na aye nto ne se ye kwa eto na bode wa ba beduru ana ne bo na ayeden nti wo ba ntimi nje mfofofo ese wo yere so kakra ko se case kan o mu za ti petrol su de ren so no fe no omko ekoso e han kan wanjo kra bia be ha no no adu ano se madu se nti obadu se obetimi a no afaba ti wa bedu na fe no agene mani nyina ti wa bewie na betete ho no wa nyina boden so a untimi nya hwe wo so
aban moyen no mpe adwuma ma youth no na ene eto ade se ye ble eno ane de hwe ye ma de hwe ye kunum ni ade ni ti se ba dwom ne se sika ni krom ni ento ade sa na ma ye ho kyere ni enti ni sa ban so sre na ye sre na omoyen na youth fo no mfa omadwuma se de be ye ne mamefo yenso ye ho beto ye kakra na ye badwom ni eto ade yenso ye kofia ye ni atimi age
ba reji edwede first no na ye pa ye se de aduane ye nto ena me koto bode politin ma 10 series ene gue ba ira kase pa me nsa 1 million ebi ye num 500 and 9 500 50 series brown no baako chocolate color no baako sana me wie school P2 nte me brofo ya na sika na me hunu mu yi akakra kapa nso ye ntade na pe kura mbetena kura mtika nyina afa ni atom bayire 1 million system ni mo ye din emo ye din pa nya beta kura me kura sese me yale bayire chisem so akwachima na me nan ntumi nso nkwachima ntimi tete hu saa ne ntade obi ba sese 1 million ya to enu bi na me di kodi dwo me kunu nya adwuma
okay ejwadie die free bese bosome mienu ebe die eni o man koyi kra ye ntwade ye betena ha etena asa ne ya sori ko e ba ye so pra na epro ne bo nso odene ye nya atofo nso mo mo ntomaye obosi sikani ho aduane de ho ba sikani ho nipa ro onye sika wo de beto ade no aduane de ho anso sikani ni ho anti de yento
I send this one way ya e say ya wo fiele wo hu no e bi bo wachi na o party a defend ko they feel that they are making your government unpopular. It will get to a time obi oba so say o defend bia no ha Ghana for be bonus because or no be enemy to the state. Now no you complaining you are saying that we are the enemy to more. By the time will come anybody who stand up to defend you will tend to be enemy to the state and we all live to see it. Today, why do you comment section? How you Penyah broken media?